Hi and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, a big warm welcome. My name is Jan and this is Hideout Cooking, the YouTube channel where you can find lots of amazing recipes. Today we're going to be making a delicious mud cake for all of you coffee drinkers. Chocolate and coffee works well together, so here we are combined it and made a coffee mud cake. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to the channel. It's completely free.